Upgrade your truck with Putco's official licensed Ford LED Emblems. This IP69K rated product is tough, durable, and proven to withstand the harshest of weather conditions or road conditions. Designed to withstand the elements and add a unique signature look to your vehicle, it's the latest addition to the LUMINIX line of products that seamlessly replaces the OEM emblems using the original mounts. The front emblems deliver a 6500K Hilux white light and a brilliant Hilux red in rear for maximum visibility. We have utilized a chip-on-board LED layout for crisp illumination day or night. All wiring is plug-and-play and routes directly to the fuse box for a quicker and easier installation. The LED emblems designed for Ford F-150s and Super Duties from 2015 through current models are camera and lens cleaner compatible and begins illumination with an eye-catching startup sequence. At Putco, it's our mission to provide you with innovative and industry-leading automotive accessories.